Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Some folks like to keep them whole with only the top cut off and the seeds removed. Helpful tip. Use a paring knife, which is smaller, to carefully remove all of the seeds. If you want to change it up a bit, try slicing your bell peppers in half.
Let's help you make your mark.
Do you have to pre-cook the peppers before stuffing them? No, you don't have to pre-cook the peppers, but they do stay quite crisp if you don't pre-cook them. I personally prefer starting with cooked peppers for this stuffed peppers recipe.
Take our lead.
Red peppers pack the most nutrition, because they've been on the vine longest. Green peppers are harvested earlier, before they have a chance to turn yellow, orange, and then red. Compared to green bell peppers, the red ones have almost 11 times more beta-carotene and 1.5 times more vitamin C.
Make your mark, take our lead.
While they can vary in flavor, bell peppers are not hot or spicy, like most other peppers. Color and flavor are determined by the variety of the pepper plant and the stage of ripeness when picked. For example, a red bell pepper or orange bell pepper is simply a mature green bell pepper.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.